Hello everyone, this is Shanti Sirsat from Information Technology Department. In this session, we learn about some new network components or network control connecting devices. Learning outcomes, basic components of computer network, that is host, communication subnets and NICs. Host. Host is a network host in a network is any device or end device that connects to the computer network. In that network, the host can either be a server, client or both. It is called a network host. A network host may offer information resources, services and application to the user or other nodes on the network. Network host in the network node that is assigned a network address. Computer participating in network that use the internet protocol suite may also call the IP host. Specifically, computers participating in the internet are called internet host or sometimes internet nodes. Next is a communication subnet. It is used in WAN to cover large geographical area, that is to cover country or continent. Host, that is any device, that is PC, laptop, handheld device are connected via the communication subnet. In most WAN, the communication subnet consists of two different components. One is transmission line and another one is switching element. Transmission lines are also called circuits, channels or trunks. Moves between machines and switching elements are called specialized computer, that is router, used to connect two or more transmission lines. Switching elements. When data arrives on the incoming line, the switching element must choose an outgoing line to forward them on. That switching element is a router. This is the communication subnet in WAN where all the subnets are connected with the help of router. That is all the small LAN networks connected with the help of router to create a WAN. The next component is NIC, that is Network Interface Card. Is a computer hardware component designed to allow the computers to communicate over the computer network. NIC commonly refers as Network Interface Card and used to connect PC to network. NIC provides the connection between the network cabling and the computer's internal bus. Network interface cards, also known as network interface unit, which are the cheapest, which are printed on circuit boards and that provides physical access from the node to the LAN medium. NIC is responsible for fragmenting the data transmission and formatting the data packets with necessary header and trailer. A standard IEEE NIC contains the unique hard-coded logical address, that is MAC address, which is included in the header of each data packet it transmits. The NIC typically has some amount of buffer memory, which enables it to absorb some number of bits transmitted by the associated device from the packet and hold them until such a time as the network is available. In the context of OSI reference model, NIC functions at the physical and data link layer. NIC also may contain the microprocessor that can relieve the attached device of some routine computational function. The NIC can take the number of forms, including the circuit board that first fits into the expansion slot of the desktop PC, otherwise into the PCMCI card or in a standalone device. This is the block diagram of NIC. We discuss about all these blocks one by one. Transmitters, that is transmitters and receivers are used in LANs to receive a carrier signal and then transmit it on its way. They are embedded in NICs. LAN adapters have their own onboard architecture and they carry NIC functions out of these different functions of the NIC. Monitoring activity on the communication medium, providing each workstation with a unique identification ID, that is MAC address, recognizing and receiving the data transmitted to the computer, creating the frames needed to transmit the data on the communication medium, controlling the LAN transmission speed and also the transmission error detection and recovery. All these are the functions of NIC. Next, advantages of NIC. It's are very cheap to purchase and install. Newer network interface, newly generated or created or manufactured newer network interface card can reach up to the speed of 2000 Mbps. Stable connection between devices and cable. Disadvantages of NIC. Proper configuration is needed in order for the device to network correctly. NIC can be unsafe and data is not secure. Replacement need to be replaced in order to handle the better speed. Thank you.